Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of ordinary differential equation asked in Csirnet December 2019. So our question is, let mod fx is less than or equal to 4 mod x for x belongs to R, then largest possible value mod x1 where x dash of t is equals to f of x of t where t greater than 0. Then we have to find, and x0 is equals to 3. Then we have to find the largest possible value of this. So here we have to find the largest possible value of x of 1. So let x greater than 0. If we take x greater than 0, then here all value of x is equals to 4 of x. Now we will put f of x here. So x dash is equals to 4 of x. So dx upon dt is equals to 4x. Now dx upon x is equals to 4 dt. We get integrated. We found where x is equals to c e की power 4t. After integration we get this. Now we will put the condition here. What condition? x0 is equals to 3. So see here, at x of 0 is equals to 3, but we have to put the value of t is equals to 0 at x is equals to 3. So 3 is equals to c e की power 4 of 0, that is c is equals to 3, that is e की power 0 is equals to 0, so c is equals to 3. Now put value of 3 here, we get x is equals to 3 e की power 4t. So this is the solution. We have to find the solution at x is equals to 1. So at t is equals to 1, xt is equals to 1, we get 3 e की power 4, our required solution. So our option A is first is correct. So this is the solution of this question. If you like this video, you can hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. For any doubt you can comment also. Thank you for watching.